In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to loop a video in Canva. If you've been looking to enhance your video projects with seamless loops, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the process and make your videos more captivating with some simple steps. First, we need to start by opening Canva. Once you're on Canva's homepage, head over to the search bar at the top. Type in the phrase loop video. This will bring up a variety of video templates specifically designed with looping in mind, making your job easier as you can leverage these templates to fit your needs. Now, from those search results, take a moment to browse and select the video template that you feel suits your project best. The options are diverse, so you'll likely find something that matches your vision or theme for your looping video. Selecting the right template is crucial because it serves as the foundation for your video project. Once you've chosen a template, you'll notice a button labeled Customize this template. Click on it, and Canva will open up the template in edit mode. This environment allows you to see all the elements involved in your video, giving you the freedom to customize each component. Now let's focus on the specific changes you might want to make. One of the fantastic features of Canva is how easy it is to edit text within your video templates. Simply click on any text within the template that you'd like to change and you can start typing right away. Adjust the font, size or color to align with your brand or the messaging you wish to convey in your looped video. Beyond text, consider other customization options. You can also change background colors, move elements around for better composition, or even add additional graphics to make your video pop. These adjustments not only personalize your video, but also ensure that the loop is a seamless extension of your storytelling. It's important to take some time to preview your changes. Hit the play button to see how your video loops. Make sure the transition between the end and start of the clip is smooth, creating the illusion of an endless loop. Tweaking transitions or timing might be necessary to get it just right. Once everything looks perfect and you're satisfied with the overall flow, it's time to download your creation. Click the download button at the top right, choose your desired video quality settings, and let Canva do the magic. And there you have it, your unique looping video, ready to mesmerize viewers. I hope this guide has been helpful and you feel more confident in creating looping videos in Canva. Experiment with different templates and customization options to fully grasp the range of possibilities. Thank you for watching and happy creating.